Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, order wins, and acquisition, here's a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, Nelco. Nalco has signed mining lease deed with District Collector Angwell for amalgamated Utkal D and Utkal E coal block to enhance the coal production capacity to 4.0 MTPA, which will boost the fuel security to the captive power plant. The lease deed is valid up to 21st of April 2051. Second stock that is going to be in focus is Gland Pharma. France drug regulator ANSM has conducted a good manufacturing practices inspection of Cenexia Fontenay manufacturing facility, the material subsidiary of Gland Pharma, between December 9 and 19. The facility 10 observations from the regulator. Cenexi is committed to working closely with the ANSM to address the observations. Cenexia is committed to work closely with the ANSM to address the observations. Third stock, which is going to be in focus, is Panacea Biotech. The company has received a letter of award from UNICEF for supply of 115 million doses of its bivalent oral polio vaccine, worth $14.95 million in CY 2025. Fourth stock that is going to be in focus is Ramki Infrastructure. The company has received letter of acceptance from Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewage Board for a project worth Rs 215.08 crore. The project involves manning, operation and maintenance of STPs and connecting interception and diversion under HMWSSB jurisdiction for 5 years. Fifth stock that is going to be in focus is Apollo Hospitals. The company's subsidiary Apollo Healthco is acquiring the business of operating the software and all intellectual property along with all related assets and liabilities from Searchlight Health on a going concern and a slump sale basis for Rs 67.5 crore. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.